So what do you do if you need to log into your computer and you don't have your Gatekeeper? We have a backup login method where you can use your smartphone to log into your computer. Your phone will be able to provide you with a one-time password, also known as OTP. In order to set this up, you'll need access to your email account, your smartphone, and you'll need to download a phone app called Google Authenticator. Let's set up your phone as a backup login method. The first thing you want to do is go into your email. You should have received an email from GateKeeper that looks like this. Enclosed, a section entitled Log in with one-time passcode, and under it, a QR code. This QR code is associated with your GateKeeper account, so keep it open. We'll scan it with your phone in a second. Next, grab your smartphone and open your App Store. If you're using an iPhone, your App Store looks like this. If you're using Android, your App Store is called Google Play, and it looks like this. And once you've opened it, go to the search bar and search for Google Authenticator. Click the button that says Get or Install to download the app. Once that's finished downloading, open it and Google Authenticator will begin setup. From your options, click Set up using QR code. You'll get a prompt asking if Google Authenticator can use your camera. Say yes. Your camera will then open and you can use it to scan your QR code. There. This number is your one-time passcode, and you can use it to log into your computer. The reason it's called a one-time passcode is because this code is time sensitive. After 60 seconds, the code will turn red, expire, and change. So let's use it to log in already. At your computer workstation, under GateKeeper Login, you'll see One-Time Passcode Login. This is clickable, so click it. Add your email address as prompted, and finally, enter your one-time passcode as it currently appears on your phone's Google Authenticator. Ta-da! Your computer is unlocked, and your phone is now set up as your backup login method. So, moving forward, if you ever need to log into your computer and you don't have your Gatekeeper, just grab your phone, open your Google Authenticator, and use the provided passcode to log in by clicking this One-Time Passcode Login at the GateKeeper login screen.